Hi, today we're going to talk about valves that can be used in oxygen mixing applications. Clippard has a variety of electronic, on-off, and proportional valves that can be used in oxygen-enriched environments. There are two important factors in producing a valve that is used in oxygen environments. The first is material compatibility with oxygen. In Clippard's oxygen-compatible valves, wetted materials are compatible with oxygen use. This is typically our standard materials, but with PTFE grease and FKM seals. The second main factor is cleanliness. Valves are ultrasonically cleaned, assembled, inspected, and tested in a positive pressure clean room that exceeds the ISO 13485 standards. Both organic and inorganic contaminants such as particulate matter and hydrocarbon oils are all removed. No organic sealants or lubricants are used in the manufacturing process. Individual testing and calibration utilizes medical grade clean nitrogen on dedicated test fixtures, and inspection is accomplished using magnification, visual, and ultraviolet lights to detect hydrocarbons. Clippard excels at partnering with medical device manufacturers that deal with stringent requirements. Contact us today on your next challenge, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Talk to you soon.